Alright, the front sights are dovetailed and tapped in, and usually they used to prick punch them with a hammer to kind of keep them in place, stake them in place. So, you know, these replacement ones I got, you can see where they bashed the hell out of them to get them off. You just gotta, if you look, there's a little base here. Well, you want to try to get either on the side or onto this base. You get the punch in there, in a dovetail, and then just tap it up. There we go. We got this front sight base off. Now up there where you can see them. There it is. Now that's the one I took off. Basically that's the one that was on the gun. So we're going to measure them up and take a look. Alright, this one I took off, I'm going to measure it from the base here for the height. That's 390 thousandths high. The one that I took off this rifle, this file, was 208 thousandths high. 215 at the base. Now I got another sight which is 370, not much of a difference, than this one here which was 390, and the original shooting way high was 215. So I don't know what to say here. This other one's slightly smaller. I'll give you a better look at these. Alright, hopefully you can see it. The original sight here is very short compared to these taller sights here. Now the only thing you could do is take the taller sight and then file it down until you're on it 100 yards and then get an idea of where it is. But I'd like to figure out a way to build up these smaller sights with something and basically use the original sight that was on there. So I don't know, I'm going to have to do some work and some I'm going to take measurements, and like I said, there's only a 20 thousandths difference in them two sights, which I don't really think it's going to change your point of impact much, because the difference between the original is 210 thousandths and this one, which was, you know, it's almost a 1/4 inch higher. You know, it's 410 but minus about 15, so 395. So that's too high, 200 thousandths. I'm wondering if we went to almost an even 300 thousandths with something, that would be right where we want to be, 310. It might be the way to go. I'll have to look into this. I'm going to do some more experimentation, figure out a way to build up these sights with maybe with an epoxy or JB weld or something. And if I do, that's what I'll do. And then give it a try, and then we can file that down. But I'll get back to you on there. And also after this, I'll post a video where I tried shooting that higher sight and it didn't quite work out. But that's it for now.